my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature dead rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want to give an update about the late Mngomezulu, Mr. Mngomezulu's funeral. Details I've posted on my community post, but I decided let me also do a video where I'm gonna put these details also, and then you guys can share and then people can keep up to date. The funeral notice of the late Tulani Joshua Mngomezulu, who was born on the 25th of October 1970, who died on the 10th of December 2024. Rest in peace, Ubaba Dlakatla, Advocate Mngomezulu. The funeral service will be on Saturday, 14th December 2024, 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. Home address is 11 Conway Road, Dinwiddie, Germiston. Service will be held at, hold on just a sec. The service will be held at Change Bible Church, Tsolo section, Katlehong. Procession will leave for South Park Cemetery. So those are the details of the funeral. Kababa Mngomezulu, Change Bible Church, Tsolo section, Katlehong. And then we will leave for procession will leave for South Park Cemetery. So that is when we are going to be having the last day of celebrating the life of Advocate Mngomezulu, who was born in 1970. He was still fairly young, guys. He was very young. He's still young. He's in his 50s, but he was still very young. Oh man, what a man. I love the picture by Ketile. I love the picture. It was showing confidence. The confidence that guy had was out of this world. He was a very confident man. And yeah, I guess any other details, okay, you will get them at the funeral. I'm just passing the message, Yoguti. He will be buried on this day. Oh, the other thing is that on Saturday we will be live on my channel, and I think on Kwazi's channel too. But okay, we are hoping, let me fix it, we are hoping to be live on our channels on Saturday, whether we are there or not, but we will make sure that the people that are far won't make it to the funeral. Don't worry, we will make sure there is a live platform for them that they can watch it. Okay, that will, both platforms, Kwazi and Noni's platforms, we have offered they can use those platforms to make sure that the people who won't be able to make it to the funeral will be able to watch the funeral virtually. So we'll have a virtual funeral wherever you are, so don't worry about that also. What else am I forgetting? It is this weekend, this Saturday, funeral, guys. It's this Saturday. It's this Saturday, so just make sure nje ukuthi if you have interest you attender, you can go. Change Bible Church, Tsolo location, Ekatlehong. So that's about it about funeral arrangements. Details, I mean, yeah, so people can give each other a lift. Abakona who are around Gauteng, they can lift each other and go to the funeral. There are the details. You can read the entire video. You're not gonna see my face, you're gonna be seeing his face and the poster that has all the details that you will need for that day. This is it. Emakhaya Eastern Cape siyibiza le mini yokugqibela ngokuthi yimini kandancama, yimini yokuthi if you were in denial, it's a day of if you were in denial the entire time that indeed someone has passed away. Once the day of the funeral has come, there is no way that you can ever be questioning it, because there will be a casket, there will be people, there will be speakers, everything will be happening at once, and your brain will be forced to see things for what they are. You know that our brain, sometimes we can block things and want to act as if they don't exist or they did not happen, and then we call this day imini kandancama, the day of giving up, like, and finally let it sink in that Mngomezulu is no more. That is going to be the day, and it's on Saturday the 14th of December 2024. So that's where we go, and all siyogqwala emswaneni ngesintu, siyogqwala emswaneni siyowenza our last goodbyes to Advocate Mngomezulu, our last goodbyes to him. What a gentleman, what a man of honor, what a great guy he was, what a brilliant person he was, a person that can do arguments, almost be done with them without looking at them, but he is taking them from his head. Imagine that. What a gentleman, what a brilliant person he was. Oh man, life, what a life. Like, it was a very short space of time, Simazi, since October last year, November 2024. So it's been a year since some of us knew him via the Senzo Meyiwa case, but it feels like we've known him for a very long time. It feels like we've known Ubaba Mngomezulu for a very long time, but hey, it's only been a year since we knew him. It's only been a year since we knew him. Some of us, even me, we have never met him. We have never met him, but here we are so hurt, so much that it is hard to believe that this thing has happened. That is why on Saturday it will be a day whereby if you are nearby Katlehong, you can go through, and then you will actually believe once you are there. If it's a hard pill to swallow, then you need to go there. Olisa inhliziyo yakho, wamkele isimo for what it is. Silapho manje ekutheni asamkele. There is nothing else that we can do. So if you want to celebrate the life of Mngomezulu, hear people say great things about him, then go to Katlehong on Saturday the 14th of December, 8 a.m. until 11. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you on our next video. Any questions that you have, put them on the comment section. If there is any valuable feedback, I will respond with feedback in the comment section. Other than that, thank you so much. Those that can, please do attend the funeral. Those that can. Enkosi kakhulu ke guys, bye. See you on our next video. Bye bye.
Survive.